Wait for the stencil peel.
I spray painted a dolphin and the reveal is insane. No brushes, no airbrush, just spray paint, a piece of cardboard, and one stencil I cut by hand. I'm going to show you exactly how I built this entire ocean scene from a blank board and why that final peel at the end is the most satisfying part. First up, the horizon line. If you mess this up, the whole painting looks off. Most beginners try to spray a straight line freehand and it ends up wobbly. Here's my trick. Grab any scrap of cardboard, hold it dead straight across the middle of the board, and spray right along that edge. In one pass, you get a razor sharp horizon. I hit the top half with a light sky blue, then flip the cardboard and lay a deeper ocean blue underneath. Instant separation, instant depth, and it took 10 seconds.
Ooh.
If that peel gave you that little satisfying hit, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more art lovers. And I need your help. Comment below, should my next spray paint be a shark, a turtle, or an orca? I'm going to take the top vote and make it next week on the channel. Subscribe if you love satisfying art, stencil tricks, and curb number makeovers. I post every week and you won't want to miss the next reveal.
Ooh, that's nice.